In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create multiple user accounts in Windows 11. This is especially useful if more than one person uses the same computer because each user gets their own files, settings, and privacy. To begin, click on the Windows Start button at the bottom of your screen. Then, open Settings. Once you're inside Settings, look at the menu on the left and select Accounts. Next, scroll down and click on Other Users. This section allows you to manage and add new accounts on your computer. On the right-hand side, click Add Account. A new window will appear asking for an email address or phone number for the new user. If the person already has a Microsoft account, you can enter it here and follow the on-screen instructions. If you don't have that information or want to create a local account instead, click on I don't have this person's sign-in information. Then select Add a user without a Microsoft account. Now, you can enter a name for the new account. After that, create a password for the user, and then choose and answer a few security questions. Once you've filled everything out, click Next. Windows will now create the new account. You'll see it listed under the Other Users section. This means the account has been successfully added to your PC. To switch to the new user, click on the Start button, select your profile icon, and choose the new account from the list. You can then sign in using the password you set. Each user will have their own desktop, documents, and settings completely separate from the others. And that's it, you've successfully added a new user account in Windows 11. This helps keep each person's files private and organized, making your computer more secure and easier to share. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more clear and simple Windows guides. Thanks for watching.